Welcome to HypnoCloud. My name is Elena Mosaner. This session is designed to help you alleviate migraines, reduce inflammation, restore balance to your body and mind. You can listen while sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Allow these healing suggestions to work deeply within you. If there are any distractions during this session, they will not interfere with your relaxation, no matter what they are. Instead, they will become a signal, taking you even deeper into a state of healing and restoration. Let's begin with a special breathing technique. A technique designed to release tension, eliminate discomfort, and provide deep oxygenation to your brain. Take a long, deep breath in as much as you can. Now exhale completely, all the way out. Feel the release as if you are breathing out pain, stress, any lingering negativity. We will repeat this 10 times. With each inhale, imagine fresh, healing energy entering your body. With each exhale, feel all tension dissolve, as if carried away by the breath. If a sound naturally escapes as you exhale, allow it. This creates a vibrational release, further relaxing your nervous system. Let's continue. Deep breath in. Now out. All out. Keep breathing while I speak in the background. Follow your own pace. Breathe in deeply and exhale fully. Purge all tension, all discomfort. Let it all out. Let it all go. Breathe in healing energy. Breathe out pain. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Keep breathing like that for a few more breaths. With every exhale, your body relaxes deeper. Your mind grows quieter. Notice how you are feeling. Lighter, calmer, more at ease. Your body is now in a deep state of relaxation, ready to receive further healing and restoration. Now let your breath to come back to its normal pace. Let it become as it is, and just observe it without any effort to make long or deep. Let it be. Now, bring your awareness to your head. Notice where the discomfort resides. It may be in one side, behind the eyes, across the temples. Simply become aware of it without resistance, without judgment. You may feel throbbing, pressure, whatever it is. Just observe, because already, bit by bit, the discomfort is fading. Your body knows how to restore itself. Now visualize a cooling, soothing balm spreading through your head. Beginning at the top, it may feel so soothing, cool, gentle. You have been waiting for it. It begins to flow down, yes, slowly, clearing all discomfort bit by bit. Your body knows how to restore itself. Imagine it if you can, or simply feel its healing nature, easing every nerve, calming every signal. All inflammation is decreasing naturally, softening every pulse. Imagine a gentle wave of healing energy flowing into your brain. Your body knows how to restore itself. Targeting the source of pain, soothing, cooling, dissolving all discomfort. All inflammation is decreasing naturally. Your nerves are now resting. Taking a deep, necessary pause, imagine them lying on tiny, soft pillows, wrapped in warmth, completely at ease. Your blood vessels gently constrict, returning to balance. Your blood vessels are returning to their perfect, healthy state. No more throbbing, no more pressure, just healthy circulation. Your blood vessels are returning to their perfect, healthy state. Inflammatory signals dissolve. Their work is done. Your brain waves recalibrate, shifting into perfect balance, like a peaceful ocean, rhythmic, restoring clarity, bringing deep relaxation. Your blood vessels are returning to their perfect, healthy state. This healing energy flows like a golden light. Your nerves are calm, steady, and relaxed. Gently restoring balance, cooling, calming, resetting your entire system. It moves through every nerve, every fiber, every cell, bringing relief, bringing ease. Your nerves are calm, steady, and relaxed, bringing deep, profound healing. You have done enough thinking. Any tension is melting away. effortlessly. Enough reacting. You are free from discomfort. Now, simply rest and allow your body to restore itself. Your entire nervous system is in perfect balance. Your body knows how to restore itself. Now let's go deeper as the following suggestions slip into your unconscious, clearing any remaining tension and activating even deeper healing and restoration. Let these words settle deep within you as you simply remain silent now. You are healing now, yes, without knowing how. Your body is doing it now for you, while you remain in this restorative state of deep relaxation. Your body knows how to restore itself. All inflammation is decreasing naturally. Your blood vessels are returning to their perfect healthy state. Your nerves are calm. Steady and relaxed. Your brain waves are flowing in a smooth, balanced rhythm. Any tension is melting away effortlessly. Healing now. Your head feels light, clear, and refreshed. You are restoring now. Every cell in your body is vibrating with pure healing energy. Healing completely. You are safe, at peace, and deeply relaxed. You are free from discomfort. You are restoring now. Your breath is soothing and nourishing every part of your brain. Your entire nervous system is in perfect balance. Your body is resilient and strong. You release all pressure, all tension, all pain. You are restoring now. Healing now. Your mind is clear. Your body is at ease. Your head is light, calm, comfortable. You are stepping into full, complete relief. Healing now. You are at peace, whole, restored. Now, silently repeat the following 5 affirmations after me. Just hear your inner voice within your mind flow like a soft river. Say this: I allow my body to heal completely. I am free from pain and tension. I feel lighter, clearer. I am healthy. My body is restoring itself. I am in perfect balance, calm, and well. Let these affirmations sink deeply into your subconscious. They will continue working long after this session ends. Now take one more deep breath in. And exhale completely. Gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, stretch lightly, and when you're ready, open your eyes. Feeling refreshed, calm, completely at ease. This is Elena with HypnoCloud. Thank you for joining me today. For more transformative sessions, download the app at hypnocloud.com.